Hey everyone, welcome back to Baum Grillin'z. On today's episode, we're doing ribs. Oh yeah! Alright, I'm really excited about this cook today. We're going to be doing two different types of ribs. We've got the spare ribs and we've got the baby back ribs. Now I want to put them to the test. I want to see which ones I prefer better. So what we're going to do is we're going to make them up in the same exact way with the same exact ingredients, and then we're going to throw them on our Z grills over here. Now the kind folks over at Z Grill sent me this grill to kind of check out and review. So we are going to put it to the test today. Now what I already like about this thing, it's kind of like a set it and forget it type grill. You fill up the hopper and it holds a ton of them. Then you're going to select your temperature and it's going to feed those pellets through and just maintain that heat for you for a long time. It has a lot of space inside the grill as well, and I really like that. So we're gonna be cooking them ribs on this wood pellet grill, and it's gonna make things pretty easy. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start up our grill. We want this thing to heat up for about 10 minutes, bring it up to the temperature we desire. That way, once the ribs are all prepped and ready to go, we can just throw them on. We're gonna need to check the hopper, make sure we got enough pellets in there. Oh yeah. Definitely do. Now this hopper will hold up to 20 pounds of pellets. This thing will go all day long. Once we see the smoke rolling out of the grill, we know we're ready to go and set it to the desired temperature. Today we're going to be cooking these ribs at about 235 degrees. Now this is going to be a long process, so bear with me. It might get dark by the time we're ended. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so we've got our ribs here. We're just going to prep them real quick. We're gonna tear off that membrane off the back side. That way, when we go ahead and season it, it's gonna really get into it. If you have that membrane on the back, might as well not even season it. Go ahead and grab it with a paper towel. There we go. Beautiful. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and hit these with some oil. We've got some peanut oil here. We'll just go ahead and squirt that on top. Just go ahead and rub that in. And then we're gonna hit it with our first layer here. Now this is just kind of an all-purpose seasoning. It's got some salt, pepper, garlic powder. We'll do that on the base layer here. And then we're gonna hit it with a barbecue rub. Nice coat of that. Go ahead and flip them over. We'll do the same thing. Hit it with our all-purpose seasoning. Making a mess. That's why I'm outdoors. That's why I love the outdoor kitchen here. And then our barbecue rub. Now you can tell that these here are the spare and that is the baby back. The baby back has more of a little curve to it, while the spare ribs kind of sit a little flatter. All right, those are ready for the grill. Our grill's up to temp, or about 235. We're gonna go ahead and set those on there. We're gonna let them smoke in here for about 2 hours. Oh yeah, got some smoke rolling already. What I really like about this grill is that you just set that temperature. The auger's gonna feed all your pellets and maintain that temperature. So then you have plenty of time to go do things that you wanna do. Oh yeah, let's do it. Careful. All right, I already got the ribs.
Messi, who's got room now? It's Lionel Messi! 1-1.
Now about every 45 minutes to an hour, I'm going to spray them with some apple cider vinegar water mix just to maintain moisture in the meat. Oh yeah! Okay, so it's been 2 hours now that the ribs have been on the grill. What you want to do is you want to get some tin foil all set up, ready to go. That way we can just pull them off, prep them again, wrap them up and throw them on as fast as possible. So let's do that. Let's grab them ribs. All right, let's grab them ribs. They are looking good. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull them off real quick. Try not to lose them. Woo! Okay, there we go. All right, those things look really good. Already they look really good and they smell awesome too. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them on the foil. Now we're gonna start top side, right there. And we've got ourselves some honey butter. We're gonna douse that thing in honey butter. Nice, generous portion of honey butter right there. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with some brown sugar. Just throw that on top. We'll flip her over, do the other side. Same way. Honey butter. Brown sugar. Now we'll go ahead and wrap it up. Now you're going to want to make this nice and tight. You don't want to lose any of that stuff. Make sure no bones are sticking out, stabbing through. Okay, so we're gonna go throw that one on the grill real quick. And we'll do our other one. All right, we'll throw that on the grill as well. Now you wanna make sure that you have meat side down. That way it can maintain the moisture down there, and then it's just gonna come out really good, really good. Okay, we'll close that up. Now we're gonna let that sit for about 2 hours, and then we're gonna check it to make sure we have the right tenderness. Oh yeah. All right, so those ribs have been in there for 2 hours. So we're gonna pull them out and check for tenderness to see how it's looking. Scooch those things off there. Pull that one off there. Okay. Oh, they smell so good. Yes. All right, we're just gonna let them sit for just a few minutes so I don't burn myself. And then we'll open them up and just check the tenderness of them. So there's the baby backs. And they've got a lot of pullback on them. A little twisty, yep. They're moving a little bit. There you go, that's good. Not falling apart yet, we don't want that. But they look good, okay? And then here are the spare ribs. They look good too. Got a little bit of separation. Oop, wiggleness there. Okay, so I think those are good. So we're gonna pull them out and then we're gonna baste them up with some Famous Dave's barbecue sauce. Now this is the sweet and zesty. Now I've used this before on one of my pork steak videos and it was so good. And it works really good with these as well. All right, we'll pull them out of here. We'll baste them up and we'll put them back on the grill. and let that barbecue sauce thicken up. Get a nice coat of this sauce on here. Oh, it's gonna be so good. I cannot wait. Oh. Ribs is definitely an all-day experience. But cooking it this way, you can't beat it. You just can't. Especially when you're outdoors and you're around the grill. That's what I'm talking about. That is barbecue right there. Okay, got a nice coat on them. We'll take them over to the grill, slap them on. Babies. Spares. Whew, it's hot. Hit it with some more barbecue sauce here. We want these things nice and sticky. Oh yeah, that smell good, kitty? Okay, those things are ready. It's pretty dark out here now. I told you guys it was gonna be a long cook. Oh, those things look really good. Oh man, those things are right where I want them. Nice and sticky. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. That is a rib right there. What I'm talking about. Nice and sticky. Look at those things. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. Look at them. Those look so good. And they smell amazing like always. That grill worked really well for this. I'm really excited about it. Very excited. Okay, I'm gonna let those cool down for just a minute and then we'll tear into them. All right, those ribs are ready. Now it's definitely dark out here. This was a long cook, but it was an enjoyable cook. The Z Grills handled this fantastically. I really enjoyed that grill. All right, let's chop them up and see which one I like better. Baby back or spares? I don't know. All right, let's at least get a good look at them. This is the baby back. Nice and tender. Okay, that looks really good. All right, here we go. Baby back rib. Oh, wow. That's good. Comes right off the bone right when you bite it. Clean off the bone. Perfect. And that is really good. Really good. Oh, wow. Okay, here we go with the spares. Come in here. Ooh. That's pretty good looking too. Okay, there's the spares. Come take a look at that. It's nice. Nice and tender. Okay, here we go. Wow. Okay. That's really tender, actually. Really tender. Oh, that's good too. That's really good. I don't even know. I really don't even know. Okay, I've come to a decision. I'm going to give it to the baby backs. I really like the baby back ribs. I just do. Maybe it's just something different. Maybe it was just this rack. I don't know. But today, I like the baby back better. I definitely like the baby back better. I don't know why. There's just a little more flavor there. I don't know if it's just there's a little more fat or what it is that's in it. I don't know. Or it's just that cut over this cut. I don't know. All I know is they're both fantastic. I would eat either one of these happily. I would not push any one of these away. They're both phenomenal. They're definitely amazing tasting ribs. I mean, I went through and I agonized over this. I chopped up that piece, chopped up that piece, tried this, tried that. I like the baby backs. Let me know what you guys enjoy down in the comments. If you like baby backs or if you like spare ribs, or if maybe there's something that you do that I don't that might help sway me in any way, let me know in the comments. You guys, the Z Grill, that thing did awesome. I'm really impressed by it. It really is a good grill. Now, what I really like about these grills is the price point. They really are excellent at the price that they are. You can't beat it. It really is a good grill. Go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description, and you guys can take advantage of the sale that's going on. All right, there you go. Spare ribs on the Z Grill. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this, give me a big old thumbs up. Throw me one of those. If you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell button so you can be notified every time we upload a new video or go live. Thank you guys, and I will see you on the next episode. Baum Grillin'z out. Come here, come here. What do you think? Tell me which one. Which one do you like? Yeah. I know, they're really good, huh? Super good. I really like the baby back. Really? Wow. That's really good, man. What? All I know is they're good. Every one of them's good. Hey, what are you doing?